Searching for an HVAC specialist can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect professional to put your mind at ease. With a few simple tips, you'll be confident in your choice. We caught up with a local ventilation expert to get some insight on finding the right HVAC specialist for your needs.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable HVAC service, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local provider of heating and air conditioning service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers. No matter what type of HVAC work you need done, we can do it all. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to set up an appointment.